Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Now, we just got into the Temu Influencer Program. How freaking exciting. So we do have a coupon code for new users and some links down below. You definitely need to go check those out. And we are going to be doing our first product review video since becoming influencers. I guess the Cooking Camper is the influencer, but come on, am I going to tell Zena she's not an influencer? No. So, our first product we're trying out are these super crazy cute reusable cutlery sets. These were $1.39 each. And each one comes with a fork, a spoon, and a knife. I mean, you cannot beat that price, especially for how crazy cute they are. I've got some ramen in the microwave that I'm about to eat with this. Let's go try them out. Okie dokie, well, we're going to be trying out the pink one today. Now, it might look a little daunting, like how do I take that thing apart? So, all you do is push right here on this latch or notch, and that will push out the knife. And it just comes right out. If you want to put it back together, the knife goes in the top hole. So push that out, the knife comes separated, and here are the fork and the spoon. How cute is that? They feel really, really nice. I don't know if you've ever gotten like anything mailed to you and it's like a soft touch envelope, but that is what this cutlery set feels like. It feels like one of those soft touch envelopes. So I don't even think that my ramen is, soaked up most of the water. I left it in there for way too long. But again, we are just gonna pop that notch. The knife is gonna come out. I just cannot believe how cheap these were. My noodles are probably way, way, way overcooked, but that's okay. We will survive. So, it appears that there's still a little bit of water in there, so I'm going to drain the water out and I will be right back. Okie dokie, so I drained the water and added my seasoning. Now we're gonna see how well this cutlery stirs. Now you can feel it bending, not like a ton, but you can feel it kind of bending a little bit, but I mean, that's the same with any utensil that's not metal, you get what I'm saying? So we are just going to keep stirring this up. I still can't get over how cheap these were. Less than $2 for a whole set. Really, the reason I got these is for camping. Me and Mr. Cameraman and his mom go camping together a lot, and I lose the silverware. I don't know where it goes, but I have like this big bin, okay, and it's like I cannot keep a set of silverware together to save my life. So, after you wash these, I mean, after you're done and wash them, you just nestle them all back together. So, how easy and convenient and nice is that? And again, I just can't get over how good they feel. The soft touch material feels really good. Because I'm going to be honest, normally I don't like to eat off silverware that is not metal. But these just feel so high-end. And they feel such high quality, even though they were less than $2. And then just so you get a close-up of the spoon, it does have these holes in it. That's just so that the knife can go through. It goes through this way. Just so the knife can click in. And then the knife obviously has these little strange notchings, but it needs that to be able to hook all together. And then you would just use it like that. Super cute. I love the pattern. I feel like you can't see it on camera, but it's like speckly. It's not just a solid color. Okay, the world needs to know if you can twirl on this cute little $1.39 three-piece portable cutlery reusable spoon, fork, knives, tableware set. The ramen is a success. Again, I cannot believe how cheap, but how high quality these silverware sets are. I mean, and in your mouth, that soft feeling just feels good. It looks good. The real reason, like I said, I got these is for camping. Because they nest together so nicely. And I mean, they're not just going to come apart. You get what I'm saying? Like, sure, maybe you think, oh, well, you put that in a bin, it's going to fall apart. Well, as you can see, I'm shaking it pretty hard and it still is not coming apart. To make it come apart, you physically have to push on the notch in the knife. And then you can take all the pieces apart. Put it back together. You just push on the back part of the knife, and then it is solid again. I mean, I just think whoever came up with this design and this texture and the colors, like I said, all three of the colors, it's not just pink, they're all speckled. They're not just a solid color. So I will definitely be linking these down below. And again, links and promo codes down below also. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. And definitely go shop on Temu. Have a great one.